Okay, I just got this recently and I really like, although I have like a 3-4 cuts in my fingers, but I'm still concerned about why this is, you see the color? It's like oxidizing, and when I try to clean the mold, this is what happened. This is what happens. It's all black. It's not dirty. It's like the carbon. I don't know. I'm not really happy with this. This is nonsense. Okay. I don't know what to do.
All right, so I'll say the knives do a really good job. I also bought the magnet block to go with it, which I thought was great. But they do a really good job. They come pretty sharp. Obviously, any knife is as good as sharp as it is. So make sure you sharpen your knives. But they do a really good job out of the box. They're really beautiful. They came with like a plastic coating on it that had like an oil. Which I wasn't a huge fan of, but I know it's a protective thing. But outside of that, they're beautiful. They do a great job. I recommend.